Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11 Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting problem. First method is click Start, Settings, click Network and Internet. Click Connected Wi-Fi Network Properties. Change to Private. Second method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand Network Adapter, right-click Wi-Fi Adapter, click Properties. Uncheck Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. Third method is type Edit Power Plan in Windows search bar, click Edit Power Plan. Click Change Advanced Power Settings, click and expand Wireless Adapter Settings, click and expand Power Saving Mode, change to Maximum Power Performance. Fourth method is type Services in Windows search bar, click Services. Open WLAN Auto Config, change Startup type to Automatic, click Start the service, click Apply, click OK, restart the service. Fifth method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as Administrator. Type NetSH space, WinSock space, reset. Type NetSH space, INT space, IP space, reset. Exit and restart system. Sixth method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand Network Adapter, right-click Wi-Fi Adapter, click Uninstall Device. Click Scan for hardware changes. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.